Hi, my name is Benjamin Niaulin, and recently I've been getting a lot of questions around the content search web part and how they could use it and how should they change their architecture. What I would like to focus on today is really to talk about the difference about the content search web part and the search results web part. See, often we want to use the content search web part, but then we realize, oh wait, that's just for the enterprise version of SharePoint 2013. It's not available on Office 365 yet, though we are expecting it pretty soon, though we don't know when soon is. Now, the content search web part is very cool because it leverages search to present the information to the user. Think of it this way. Do you remember the content query web part? Yes? Well, in the content query web part, we would build a query and then we would choose a style to display the results. But it was in XSLT and we were limited to our site collection. The content search web part really allows us to search anything, build a query, for example, give me all the tasks for a specific user or for the currently logged on user for these 4 site collections, for example. That's pretty interesting. And then we can use a display template to say how we would like to display it by creating an HTML and JavaScript, easy to use, not like XSLT, template. Now, the difference with the content search web part is that the power user is actually going to be able to choose which property he wants to place in your template. So if in your HTML template, how you want things to look like, there's a big rectangle on the left and a square on the right. Well, maybe you want in the rectangle on the left to have the title and on the square on the right to have an image. Well, the beauty of the content search web part is that the power user can use a drop-down menu to choose which property from the results to put in each of these, the rectangle and the square. Whereas if you don't have the content search web part, you could always use the search results web part, which comes in every version. It's just as good. It allows you to build an easy query. It allows you to choose a display template, though you cannot reuse the same, you have to create a new one. The only difference is that you'll have to specify which properties you want in the display template. You cannot have the power user choose from a drop-down menu which properties he would like to show. So there are other little differences, but this is really the main one. I really encourage you to use the content search web part. However, if you do not have access to it or cannot use it, then try the search results web part. It's just as good, just as powerful, with just a little bit of limitations. You'll have to know how to create your display template. Hope this helps.